Hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shooking. Today is April Fool's Day, but I am not going to make you April Fool. I am starting an ice cream week, which means 7 days, 7 ice creams this week. Let us start with the old and classic vanilla ice cream. This is extremely creamy and the most famous one. So let us start making it. You will need 1.5 cups of whipping cream. If you are still unaware of the stores where you can get whipping cream and other baking supplies in India, check out our list of stores where you can get whipping cream. I have listed most of the cities there. 1 cup of milk, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, quarter cup of milk powder, quarter cup of condensed milk and quarter cup of powdered sugar. So let us start making it. Into this pan I am going to add in my milk and milk powder. Stir this well. Make sure there are no lumps and we are going to heat this up until a boil. This has started to boil. Now I am going to switch off the flame and transfer this to a bowl. Add in your cream to a mixing bowl. Now we are going to whip this to stiff peaks. I am going to add in my powdered sugar. This will be fine. To our milk and milk powder mixture, I am going to add in my vanilla and my condensed milk, which is homemade. Give it a whisk around. Now this is ready to go into our whipped cream mixture. This is stiff and nice. Now we are going to incorporate our milk mixture. Make sure your milk mixture is cool to touch. Now mix this well. Our ice cream mix is ready. Now this goes into our freezer for about 6 to 7 hours. Overnight is the best option. Our ice cream is absolutely ready. Now we are going to scoop out. Here is my scoop in a chocolate bowl. Serve it as it is or with some nuts or some chocolate sauce. Here is my vanilla ice cream in chocolate bowl. This has been sitting from a long time, so it's quite melted, but that doesn't matter. This is lip smacking good, one of the best ice creams I have ever had, so be sure to try it and let me know how it goes. Text recipes are waiting for you in our website cookingshooking.in. Do subscribe, it's free. Bye.